Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Tamang. Today I bring for you all tomato coconut soup recipe, coastal style. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe too at your work. धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई आज भने तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले टोमेटो कोकोनट सुपको रेसिपी लिएर आएको छु हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त a smooth aromatic coastal style tomato coconut soup in your preference details professional recipe tomato coconut soup coastal style creamy aromatic light spice silky texture ingredients serving 3 to 4 portion 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 medium onion sliced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 or 2 green chilies split, 4 to 5 medium tomatoes chopped, or 1.5 cups tomato puree. Half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon mild chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 cup coconut milk thick, 1 or 1.5 cup vegetable or chicken stock or water. 1 teaspoon lime juice, fresh coriander or curry leaves for garnish. Method sauté the aromatics. Heat coconut oil in a pot. Add onion, sauté 4 minutes until soft. Add ginger, garlic, green chilies, cook 1 minute. Add tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes, cook 8 to 10 minutes until mushy and reddish. Add spice, add turmeric, chili powder, cumin, salt, cook 30 seconds to release aroma. Add liquid, pour in stock water, bring to a gentle simmer, cook 10 minutes. Blend until smooth and velvety. Stir for a fine dining texture if desired. Add coconut milk, return soup into pot on low heat. Add coconut milk, simmer gently 2 to 3 minutes. Do not boil it. Finish, add lime juice, add salt and spice, serve with a fresh coriander, toasted coconut flakes, or drizzle of coconut milk. Chef tips pro kitchen notes. For richer, cruster flavor, add 1 teaspoon curry leaves sauteed in coconut oil at the start. For Thai style version, add 1 stalk lemongrass, 1 coffee lime leaves, remove before blending. To reduce acidity, add half teaspoon sugar or 1 tablespoon grated carrot while cooking tomatoes. For extra creaminess, add a final swirl of cream before serving. For a spicy version, blend 1 small red chili with this soup. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any question, do not hesitate to send to message or comment any of my posts. धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई जहिले पनि मेरो प्रोफाइल भिजिट गर्नु होला हेर्नु होला र तपाईसँग केही जिज्ञासा रहेमा सिधै मेसेज गर्नुस् अथवा कुनै पनि मेरो पोस्टमा पोस्ट गर्न कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.